All she cares about is money in the city where she's from. Her intention is the paper, she don't need no fucking love. She's spilling all this liquor, trying to pass me all these cups. Oh baby girl, I'm stoned and somebody should have told her I popped one.
I need your body in ways that you don't understand, but I'm losing my patience, 'cause we've been going over and over again. No, you be my gentle. You making back too. You meeping past.
So guys, the sun hasn't even came up yet. It is currently Saturday. It's almost 6 a.m. So I stayed up all night, and to reset my schedule, I am basically gonna stay up all day and go to bed at a decent time. That's what we're resorting to. The plans for today. So this basically is gonna be my back to school pamper vlog. Today I should be going to get my nails done. I'm actually gonna whiten my teeth in a sec. Like today is just for myself, okay? So today I'm just gonna be doing things to get myself ready for school. I'm gonna go do my hair. You're gonna come with me. I don't know what I want to do with it. So earlier I was finishing editing my back to school clothing haul. It's already up by the time you guys see this. If I'm talking low, everybody in my house is asleep right now. Yeah, and I uploaded it once, and you know, I was showing that Battlestar Galactica shirt off of The Office. So I put the scene in from the TV show. It got copyrighted. I didn't even know you could copyright that kind of stuff. So I had to re-export it again and take out the scene. And exporting a 40-minute video takes like 8 hours, right? Like, okay, and then I re-downloaded it. I had it re-uploaded, right? And then I clicked publish. And then it got copyrighted again for a song that was in the background of the video. Like near the end too. Oh, I'm exporting it again, and hopefully I don't get copyrighted. I don't even know why I'd get copyrighted again. So before school starts up, I always love to whiten my teeth before I go back to school while drinking chocolate milk. I always use this. This is called, the website's whitewithstyle.com. It's basically the ones on Instagram with the light, and it lightens your teeth. You can get up to 7 shades whiter in one treatment. And yes, this is sponsored. I'm gonna give my 100% honest review. It comes with 10 treatments. So if you think it's not gonna last more than once, I mean, it's not like you're gonna be doing this every week. Probably wouldn't be the safest to do it every week. Most of the time I do it like 3 to like 4 times a year. Not even, maybe even less. Drink coffee. I was drinking chocolate milk, soda. It's bad, but my teeth get yellow. Obviously I brush my teeth and they're kind of really straight. I never had braces. Making my teeth whiter, especially for back to school. You don't want to be having yellow teeth when you go back. It comes with a little package, and it gives you a little directions for the molding, the mouth trays, and on the other side it shows you how to whiten them. If you want to get this kit after I show you how to do it, I'm gonna have all the links below. It's originally like $200 for retail, but my code gets it for like 26 or 30 bucks, I'm pretty sure. I'll just put it below, or I'll put it on the screen or whatever. Really appreciate it if you go check it out. I mean, unless you don't want white teeth, you do you, boo. It comes with the mouth trays, vitamin E swabs, because when you put the gel on the mouth tray, you don't want to get on your gums, because it's not acidic, but it's kind of like not good for your gums at all. Vitamin E oil swabs for your gums. And then you get the syringe with the gel. You need not as much gel as you think you do because you do not want to get it on your gums. Little Whitewood style lightning thing. You take these trays, put one in your upper and lower, and you have to mold it. I have done it before. I'm gonna go do it actually because this is a new kit. And then you put some on the tray, put it in, put the light in. You have it in for 30 minutes. Hazam, you have some white teeth. Also comes with the tooth whitening shade thing so that you can see what shade your teeth were and like what they got to. I'm gonna study like 5 to 7, see what it does, okay? Dark drinks and foods after the treatment, but
you beckon. I can feel your knees sinking. When did this bed turn into water? Is it that good? My love, my flower, is she that good? Am I that good?
I think they've actually gotten whiter. I think I did the molding a little bad because I just suck at everything I do, and I was too scared to add a bunch of gel. So maybe if I added a little bit more, it would have worked a little bit better. So you can't use this more than once a week. I want to get this kit. I'll have the link down below for almost $100, $200 less of the retail price if you use my code. I think I'd do a couple more treatments probably, and next time I'd add like a little bit more gel, but yeah, go check out Whitewood Style. Really, really neat. So now let's just get on with the rest of the video. So that's my first part of my little pampering for back to school. I always do that. Well, I want to do my makeup. It is 8 a.m. actually right now. I know. I'm up really early, even though, well, I haven't slept, so. And I can't go back to sleep or I will sleep all day. And if they go to get nail stuff, get their nails done, they're not going to try to wake me up, so. Went to the store like twice in the past week, and before school I always like restocking like all my makeup, so I'll just show you what I got. I didn't get a bunch, but first got another Real Techniques blender. I always just get a new one instead of washing my old one. Yeah, love that, because today I wanted to try doing a look for back to school, like for the first day. Wanted to practice that. I haven't used this in like years. This is the, you can't even see that, this is the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. Fills in my pores right here perfectly. And then I got my Fit Me Concealer in Fair. I haven't had this in a while, so happy I got that. And I also got my Fit Me Dewy Foundation again. This has just always been my go-to. Got the Wet n Wild highlighter. It's so white. Okay. This Wet n Wild highlighter, I do have this one, but it's in the more rose shade. This is the lightest shade. So I decided to pick this one up. So now I have both the shades. And then I saw this lash glue. It's just Revlon eyelash glue. I ran out of glue, so. And I got Dewy Spray from NYX. And then I picked up 2 little pocket back hand sanitizers, like from Bath & Body Works. So, these smell so good. I always like getting hand sanitizers before school because it's just so, people are disgusting, okay? I'll do it at some point. I wanted to get new eyebrow stuff, but I didn't get to that. I'm just gonna put Aquaphor on. Vaseline, whatever you want to call it. To moisturize myself. So, and I still haven't done my summer assignment because I procrastinate with everything. But my summer assignment isn't hard this year, so there's that. Now I'm gonna tweeze my eyebrows and then finish my makeup. It'll probably be like 10 o'clock because my makeup takes so long, bro. So long.
Hey, what's poppin'? You know how the fuck we bleed, man. We get money and kill people, man. You hear me, man? We don't rob beef, man. We slide, man. We drill people, man. Bum like the bummers doing traffic with a gun or two, man. I only speak facts and count rights, man. It's impacts, man. Let's get it. Hey, shawty know I kill people, real people from the trenches where it's real lethal. So real regals, big body with your bill boy, ill boy, nigga need to find his chill boy. Yeah, shawty know I kill people, real people from the trenches where it's real lethal.
So here's the look. I just did a little brown, little lash action. So I just finished taking some IG pics. I'm hungry, so I think I'm gonna go make some breakfast or something. I'm gonna talk to you guys when we go get our nails done so that it's more of an actual pamper vlog and not just me like talking nonsense. So I'll see you guys probably around noon or 1, I'm not really sure. So everybody's in the car. We're about to go get our nails done.
Huh? Nigga sneak this and let me heard. Hey, hey, shawty know I kill people, real people from the trenches where it's real lethal. So real regals, big body with your bill boy, ill boy, nigga need to find his chill boy. Yeah, shawty know I kill people, real people from the.
Short one.
Too short.
Well, she's ovaling them. I don't like this square. That's a
Punch bag, you know, punch bag.
we just got out.
We're back. Loaf and Jug has a Subway in it whenever a Subway's right there.
Just got the short. I mean, I would have got longer, but I'm in cheer, so I have to get the shorter. And we have to move out my sister, so I can't move boxes with like super long nails.
No, get the longest.
Yeah, and it matches with my first day outfit, so.
Mine doesn't match with my first day outfit, but I still really like them. I don't care if they don't match.
Because you're wearing a teal romper.
It's only the one thing. It's only one outfit, so I don't really care.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's not that. I'm just happy that I'm not wearing a first day of 4th grade.
And her toes have a flower on them.
Like, I have to like.
We got Subway. But we went to Ross and I got a jacket and a water bottle, so now we're going to church and then we're gonna go get dinner and then I'm gonna go home. Ooh, what are we doing? The YouTuber. She always reaches out like this.
$10, $5. No, for covering me up.
Baby.
Shut up.
Mario Kart high schoolers took a year. Remember, we used to have a year by 5:30. Now we're gonna go to Texas Roadhouse.
Get it.
I got white folks money that I won't blow. And if you ask why, cause the white folks don't. Big butts, little butts, right? Big bags, little.
That ear.
I'm not confused.
I can't use a knife. I don't have one.
Goodbye, Texas Roadhouse. Now we're on our way home. Here's my mom. She's a little drunk right now. Pink sweat. Hey guys, what's up?
Mom's not like that at all.
Hi. I'm a celebrity's mom. I need to buckle. Safety, guys, safety. Safety first. And never drive drunk. Get yourself a designated driver. Which way am I going? It's like 10 o'clock right now, is it?
Oh, well, I'm glad I went.
No, it's 9:03.
No, it's 8:08.
It's 9:03.
I don't know.
Goodbye, Texas Roadhouse. My like favorite restaurant.
Bye, baby.
It's my husband.
I'll see you later.
Bye, baby. Has one.
It's been a while since I've been home. It's been like an hour. It's 11 right now. And you guys know that I didn't get any sleep, so I'm tired. I need to wash off all my makeup still, but I'm uploading the video right now. Hopefully it doesn't get copyrighted again. I have to do my summer project. Yes, school's in literally a day, I know, but I wanted to get at least some of it done tonight because like if I do it all tomorrow, it's just gonna be really like rushed and it's just gonna look disgusting. But I'm so tired. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I know it's a pretty sucky vlog. It's just like a day vlog. I guess if I take off my makeup and do a mask, I'll get back on here, but probably not because I'm lazy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. My next video should be my first day of school. Get ready with me. We're here, guys. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Hopefully by the time we upload this, I've hit 30,000 subscribers. It's crazy. Thank you guys so much for the support. And I will see you guys in my next video.
All she cares about is money in the city where she's from. Her intention is the paper, she don't need no freaking love.